morning, Bike Across Kansas 2025, day 4. Leaving Logan, headed toward Osborne. It's going to be another 65-mile day. And this morning is cold again. Chilly for mid-June, probably 50, 52 degrees this morning. You see more people dressed in more sweatshirts and hoodies, almost looking like more like Iditarod runners than Bicycle Across Kansas in June. In fact, I'm trying to talk without chattering my teeth. It's so chilly out here, just crazy. The wind's supposed to be at our back. Another beautiful sunny day, high in the upper 70s. And I am almost to the Highway 9 now. We're gonna be on Highway 9 and then dropping south after about 25 miles. So we got 65 miles today. I will see you guys later. Made it to Glade, the second town on our stop. Second town. This is our first rest stop for the day. We're now officially east of Highway 183, which means we're now east of Hayes. So we're making progress. We're going to continue down Highway 9 for a while. Headed east on Highway 9. We're now east of Hayes, east of 183. We're making progress, and I wanted to show you. No hills, woo! Finally, the entire route has been nothing but hills up until now. Just headed toward the sun. It's a beautiful day, a slight breeze pushing us. Probably maybe 60 degrees, 65 now. It's supposed to be in the 70s today. Crazy for June. But I'm not going to complain. Kerwin Lake over that way. And guess what? More crazy hills.
Thanks for letting me get ahead, guys. See you soon, baby.
Very pretty country out here. Just a bunch of green, winding hills. And right over this is Kerwin Reservoir. I think we're going to be going really close to it here in a little while. More winding hills ahead. Very pretty out here. That grain elevator up ahead is the tiny town of Kerwin, where we're going to stop and eat lunch. It's about 4 miles ahead. You can see that road just goes off as far as you can see. Really pretty out here. Perfect day for a bike ride. We made it to Kerwin, Don. 2 thumbs up, huh? Yeah. We get a lunch here in this little community. It's right at the base of a lake. You can barely see the dam off in the distance. And here we are, their community building. Catch you after lunch. We are inside the old Kerwin High School gymnasium, eating lunch. It's like we stepped back to 1950 in here. Really neat. Look at that old scoreboard. Stood there untouched for probably 60, 70 years. Then you have the old stage. The old basketball court. All scratched up, but still in okay shape. Really neat to see these little things out here. These little out-of-the-way places that you'd never hear of if you didn't do Bike Across Kansas. Here's the old downtown Kerwin. That's the city library, still open. Their main street, it looks pretty rough. The church over there. And we are now headed south. What's this highway, Don? I don't remember. I just know we go south until we hit Highway 24, and then we go back east again to, is it Osborne?
Oberlin.
Nope, Oberlin was the other night. It is Osborne.
Osborne, sorry.
Yep. So we're leaving, headed south now on this highway until we hit Highway 24. Kerwin Reservoir. Temporarily against the wind. South to Highway 24. Wind is at our back again. You can hear all the crickets and birds going about 20 miles an hour with almost no effort. Perfect day again. 3 miles to go. We're now on 24 highway with the wind pushing us once again. Heading east. Sag stop. I've got Butterfinger homemade ice cream with brownie and tea. And look at these old gas pumps that have been out of service for God knows when.